Welcome back to How To Bloke. This is a quick tip. How to make croutons. If you're going to have it with soup or a salad or something like that. Here we go. This is a piece of baguette, an old piece that's been lying around today. We're going to have it with some soup this morning for lunch. Now, what you need to do, don't need a knife or a board, just break it up with your hands like this. I'm just using this bit up, I haven't got any more, but it's not fresh, it's kind of like a couple of days old, so this is ideal. It seems to work better with if the bread is more stale. So you break it up like this, and here's a couple of bits I've just done earlier, like this. Really fast, rustic style-y. Okay. So there's just a few in there, just to put on a bit of soup, on some soup. Right, a bit of olive oil, like that. And then we're going to just kind of mix them like that together, just like that, so they're nicely covered. And then we're going to get some salt, and that goes in the oven, the hot oven, for 7 to 10 minutes. That's it. So they've been in there for exactly 9 minutes, in fact, because I had a look through the door. There they are, and they're crispy. Camera lady, would you like to try one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just break one so people can hear how crispy, if you can. Very good in a soup.
Anyway, I'll leave that at you for camera lady there.
Sampling. Now, I don't know if you can hear the crunch.
And there we go. That's simple.
Could you add some like herbs if you want to?
Yeah, you can add some herbs. You can do it before you put them in. So those woody, sticky herbs I've mentioned before, like herbs de Provence or something, you could put in there. Oh yeah, sure, nothing. And you could, or you could put a piece of you could even put some Parmesan cheese on there before you put them in.
That's a good idea.
So this is just old bread. You don't have to use a knife, cut it up into cubes. You just leave it like that. Quick tip. Thanks for watching.